Hi guys, it's Stuart here from Immersive Cinema Rooms. Welcome to this week's episode. This week we're going to jump in the van and take you back up to our Tunbridge Wells project, give you an update on what we've been up to there. We're getting quite close to completion of that project now. We're waiting for the carpet guys to go down, but we wanted to give you an update of a video we shot tail end of last week to bring you up to date there. Then we're going to jump in the van again and drive up to a project we did up in the Bedford area. A great little cinema we did back in May, which the seats have just turned up from the States. So we're going to give you the beginning snippet of that video with the full video going up in about a week or so once we've had a chance to edit it. Yeah, really great space, really great chairs. Let us know what you think about the chairs. Let us know what you think about the colour of the chairs. I think they're really good and I think they really make the room. But yeah, let us know in the comments below. To stay up to date with our videos as normal, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're hopefully going to put up some more regularly. We've got quite a few cinemas starting between now and Christmas. So, click that subscribe button and click that bell button so you don't miss an update. So stay tuned for our two videos. I hope you guys are well. And we'll speak to you on the next one. Cheers, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to our Tunbridge Wells Cinema build. We just wanted to give you an update on what we've been up to over the last week or so. You can see now here we've got some LED along underneath the staging, as well as if you come up the top here, you can see we've got LED all around the coffering. This is RGBW tape, so completely interchangeable with colours, etc. You can see the original GU10s in the ceiling, which we've left sort of like a cleaning mode for the client. You can see here now that the framing around the room has been filled with acoustic rock wool, and you can see the clear definition of where the window openings are going to be. If you didn't see our last video, please click on the banner at the top, just to give you an update on where we started with the room. But basically, these windows are going to be covered with a canvas artwork. So if the clients want to open the windows or want a little bit of light or fresh air, and they can just remove those. The glass has been frosted out, so from the outside looking in, you don't really see any of the back woodwork. Again, the wall has been filled with acoustic foam, rock wool, and then round the back here, which is the wall to the neighbours, the same. But then on the side here, we've left this panel open here. It was sounding a little bit too dead with this panel filled in as well. So we've basically filled this one in here for the first reflection, but left this one open just to give a little bit of vibrancy, a bit of echo in the room. You can come around here and you can see we've got our art acoustic speakers in the wall. These are also wrapped with some tech sound around them just to stop any vibration from the speaker into the stud walling. And then you can see round the bottom here, we've got the new electrics installed for the seating and just for general charging of phones and things like that. If I spin you round to the screen wall, you can see here that we've now installed our LCR art acoustics. So the left, centre, right, which will be behind the screen, with the screen sitting on top of the frame, as you can see there. And then basically spinning you around again up to the top, we've got our art acoustic in ceiling speakers for the Atmos channel, and then our projector will live up there in its custom housing. So I hope you find that useful. I hope you find the updates good. We'll get another one out to you as soon as we can. Next step, really we're waiting for the guys to come and fit the carpet, but we're probably going to start fitting some fabric track to the walls next week probably. But it should really come together quite well now. The screen's going to go up the front here, big old screen, probably going to end up filling pretty much the whole wall with the electrics down here for the halo screen, which will give a similar effect around it like the coffered ceiling up there. Just in case you're wondering, with the coffered ceiling, we've left it open for the minute, just in case we need to get some wires. You can see here we've got wires coming up from the cupboard under the stairs up into the coffer. This way, if we do find we need to run anything like around to the screen or back around to the projector, we've still got route of access at the moment, so we didn't really want to seal that up right at the moment. Okay, so let's head inside. So let's open the door. So first of all, you will notice the very subtle orange seating, which honestly I was a bit unsure with at the beginning, but it contrasts quite nice with the blue. I think it's becoming a very popular colour now in the range of the front row seating. So here basically what we've got is we've got two seats, two love seats together, fully electric and fully reclining.